Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Nogales local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers offers high-quality moving services in Nogales, Arizona. Our dedicated crews assist residential and commercial customers with their local and long-distance moves. One of the key elements of planning your long-distance move to or from Nogales, Arizona, is the estimate from the movers. Experts recommend that you compare written rate quotes from at least 3 reputable vendors. The assessment should be based on a visual survey of your household goods. Estimates can be binding, which means the price will not change even if the mover has underestimated the weight, or non-binding, which allows the moving company to charge more if the weight is higher than forecast. Either type is acceptable, but it's best to compare similar types. Also, if one estimate has a packing service charge, check to see that the estimates you compare also does. Each estimate should include other potential fees that the mover may add based on circumstances and explain the choice of insurance coverage for you. Basic insurance is included with the price of the move, but you may want to add more coverage for an additional charge. Discuss these options with your moving company, including deductibles and limitations. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Nogales moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.